This Focus ST has the craziest tint I've ever seen.
And that can't be legal.
Definitely not, no.
What's your opinion on the tint, officer? What?
So I don't...
Today I'm super excited to be checking out this Ford Focus ST.
Well, this is a 2017 Ford Focus, as you mentioned. I currently have the Vega modified low-line kit as far as the front splitters, side skirts, and diffuser go. All those were ordered raw, not painted and whatnot. I sanded everything on and painted myself. That's why it has the white line on it, so you can't get that from them. If you asked, they would say no.
Okay.
Besides that, we got the T7 rep wheels here. We got spike lugs as well. We got the Spec D tail lights, the diffuser from Vega as well.
Okay.
Custom catback exhaust. We also have the luminous tint going on here, ocean blue. Luminous tint, ocean blue. So I get asked that all the time.
That's what really stands out when you look at the car.
Yeah, that's the most eye-catching thing.
And that can't be legal.
Definitely not, no.
Do you get stopped for it often? Or?
Yes and no. City cops, yes. State cops, no. State cops don't seem to care. They all think it's cool because I've talked with them a lot. I got a lot of state cop friends. Not illegal, but it's cool.
That's hilarious. Even the windshield,
awesome.
I noticed.
Yeah, the windshield is probably the biggest question that the cops give me about the windshield and whatnot.
The headlights, when you look at the car, they're definitely not stock. Can you tell us where you got those and what they are?
I got them from V-Land. If you look out the V-Land headlights, they're most likely the first ones that popped up because that's how I found them. Currently, they're just the stock version of them. I can ship them back in, have them fully customized RGB if I decided to. Same with the tail lights, I can make them RGB as well.
That's sweet. So as far as performance goes with the car, do you have anything done?
Yeah, there's some stuff. There's nothing too big. In the engine bay, I got the Cobb intake. That's about as far as it goes for the engine bay. Underneath, I got a Cobb drive shaft. I got a Cobb downpipe as well, and then the full catback exhaust system.
Okay. What's your favorite thing about your car and that you'd recommend other people do as well?
Favorite thing about my car that's definitely not illegal is, of course, the tin.
Okay.
If you got some balls of steel, get luminous tin. Besides that, the ST badge is also one of my favorite parts of it, which I can customize for my phone.
Now, what's your least favorite thing about the car and something you wish you could just change?
My coilovers. I do like being fully slammed, but it's a pain to drive in Michigan fully slammed. So air suspension is the first mod I'm getting next year.
What coilovers do you have on it right now?
I got Raceline Ultimas. Drops it about 4 to 6 inches, I believe.
Nice.
Which is pretty nice for sure.
Well, should we take it on a spin?
Yeah,
let's
go
do
for
it. Yeah, that sounds pretty awesome. Yeah, you really can't see much.
If you've made it this far in the video and you like what you're watching, me and my dog both think you should smash that like button.
I love the sound. So it's just a catback?
Yep, just a catback exhaust and then the 93 tune on it.
I'm sure you keep up with like how much this is worth. So about how much could somebody buy a 2017 for?
If they're trying to get a stock one, it'll be a bit more expensive than one that's loaded with aftermarket parts.
Okay.
If I was to take this to a dealership with all the parts and everything on it, they'd probably give me like 5K max for it.
Oh yeah?
If you were to get a stock one, probably like 17, 18,000 I'd say.
Okay. It's always a blue sky when you're riding in here.
All the time. Those are supposed to be tucking at 30, not 80.
Takes corners like nothing.
It really does.
Oh man. What's your favorite gear to be in and like do a pull?
I like second for the most part. Second gear also gives me the best turbo feedback as far as the sounds go.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's see what it's got. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it.
A little bit of wheel jump at the first.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's fun.
Is what it is.
A few inches later.
No, I don't think I'll go that far.
What's your opinion on the tint, officer?
You can actually see out. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I was curious if you could or not. That's pretty cool.
It's not too bad.
And that can't be legal.
Definitely not, no.
No.
It sucks at night, but
I bet it does.
that's why I don't drive at night.
My
I
windows
can't
are
see.
tinted on my personal car too, so I get it. I just wanted to see if you can actually see it. I don't know.
No, you're good. If you want to look through the windshield, you can look through the windshield, okay?
Give me the shit.
I mean, that's normal. Everybody wants to know how I see through the windshield with all the letters and the tint and
Come on,
everything.
just be like Ricky Bobby then and put the big dude in this thing.
Exactly. I stick my head out the window when I'm driving.
That's funny.
Somebody
Oh,
will stop you.
Yeah, this happened before.
See you guys.
Have a good one.
All right. It was a cop.
You were right.
That's funny. I totally thought he was gonna like stop you, but he was a chill guy.
That's the way cops should go about it, rather than just pulling you over and be like, hey,
It
you
is.
can't have this.
Yep.
I'm like, what am I hurting besides myself? Now, if driving with the tint wasn't already hard enough, I did a wiper delete.
What?
So I don't have any front wipers either.
Oh my gosh. So you like can't
So
drive
if,
in the
if
rain.
it's nighttime and it's raining, I can't see for anything.
You just have to pull over.
I basically have to pull over, or I just wing it, which I do most of the time, unfortunately. I took them off when I was doing my front coilovers, and when I put them back on, the motors died on it, or they just wouldn't latch on there properly, so they wouldn't end up working. And when they would end up working, they would just stop vertical or whatever, so it's just like, you know what, let's just take them off.
I've never even heard of a car having a wiper delete.
I don't think I've ever seen anyone else do a front wiper delete. Rear wiper delete, I understand, but like front
Yeah.
wiper delete, I don't think I've seen anybody else do that.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. That's so fun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, thanks. That was sweet. I want to give a huge thank you to Adam for letting me film his car. Go give him a follow on Instagram at SpicyST. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at MaxHP.